Legendary filmmaker David Lynch, who was popularly known for his creativity conscious, has passed away at the age of 78. The American filmmaker, whose works include exemplary cult classics like Twin Peaks, Blue Velvet, and Mulholland Drive, passed away on January 16th after battling a prolonged illness from long. The news of the death was announced by his family, who issued a statement on his official Facebook page. The message read, "There's a big hole in the world now, that he's no longer with us. But as he would say, keep your eye on the donut and not on the hole. It's a beautiful day with golden sunshine and blue skies all the way." The cause of his demise is said to be the disease called emphysema, a chronic lung-related disease that happens due to heavy smoking. Last year, in the month of August, the director revealed to his fans that he is struggling with this disease, and in an abrupt twist of events, he now passed away while he was surrounded by his family members. Tributes for the 78-year-old legend poured in from the entire Hollywood industry. Steven Spielberg praised his exemplary making of films and reflected how the entire world is going to miss his original and unique voice. Meanwhile, Kyle MacLachlan, who was lucky enough to work in Lynch's Blue Velvet, Twin Peaks, and also in Dune, also penned a heartfelt tribute where he calls him a remarkable artist and his dearest friend. Naomi Watts also wrote of him as, "My heart is broken, my buddy Dave. The world will not be the same without him." Many other stars who have worked with David Lynch are taken aback by the news and have reportedly shared their heartfelt tributes to him. Lynch's death comes as an uncertain news nobody thought about. While the Lynch family requests for privacy in this sensitive moment, the whole of Hollywood industry, on the other hand, is in shock as they know how big of a gem they've lost in the name of a film director.